Thank you, President.
Order based on Article 166 and 167 on the admissibility of part of a resolution. The legal service of the Parliament has said we cannot use a non-ratified treaty as a reference in our reports. This applies to the first indent of the Baron Brok report, and I would like you to delete the reference if the House should not be, or if the House should be so unwise not to adopt our alternative resolution, which could much easier solve the problem of inadmissibility. May I also ask you to change all other reports referring to the proposed constitution or the Charter of Fundamental Rights. According to Eurolex, there are now 117 adopted legal acts which include such references to the Charter and 7 references to the Constitution. It's the information from Commission President Barroso in an answer to a written question. Mr. President, I am sure that you, and particularly Pöttering as a skilled and very well educated lawyer, are the right person to establish law and order in our common house. The Constitution has only been ratified by 16, not 18, of the 27 member states, representing 37% of the citizens. This is still far from the unanimity required to make it a legal base or a reference point. Your legal service is entirely right. Thank you.
Well, Mr. Bonde, the Presidency's interpretation, which, as you know, has the power to interpret the rules with the help of the legal services, of course, but it's the Presidency that interprets the rules, and the Presidency's interpretation is that reference to a document that exists, no matter whether it has been ratified or not by all the member states, a document that exists, a document that has been signed by all the heads of state and government, no matter what the circumstances under which it was signed, and no matter whether it has been ratified or not by all the member states, can be quoted as a reference in this motion for a resolution. And the Presidency's interpretation, therefore, is that your objection is unfounded.
Votamos ahora.
And now, can we please vote on Amendment 25